Okay, so now moving on to graphing it. How would we graph this big equation? So we'll put y equals, we have y equals minus x cubed into x plus 2 squared, x minus 5, and x minus 2 squared. Okay, so if to graph it, what are our roots? We have the root x equals 0 from here. X equals 0, x equals 5, minus 2, and 2. So let's put them right here. 0, minus 2, 2, and let's put the 5 back here. And 5, right? Yeah. Now, to find the end behavior, the first thing you would want to do is to find the end behavior. You want to know where you're going to start from. And what did we say about the end behavior? The end behavior, you count how many x's we have. Remember the power of the x. If it's x squared, it's up, up. If it's x cubed, it's down, up. And depending on which family it is. If it's negative power, they will both be going down. And if the leading coefficient in this one is negative, it will be up and down. So let's count how many x's we have here. We have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because right here we have x squared and x. Right here we have an x squared and x cubed. So we have x to the power 8. X to the power 8 would be in the family of x squared. But we have the leading coefficient is negative, so instead of going up, up, it will be going down, down. So we know from here it is going down. Okay, down, and right here it's going down. So we go up from here to negative 2. Now, do we go up through negative 2 or down through negative 2? We look at the negative 2 factor. We have it as squared. Remember when we also said that having an even power, the graph bounces off the root. If we had an odd power, the graph goes through the root. So the negative 2, remember, it's not this negative 2. The negative 2 is the root. So we're looking at x plus 2. It has the power even, so it bounces off. It bounces off of that. And then we don't care what the y is. It goes back down to the next root. You know, you always have to pass by the roots. Now 0. Where's my 0? Right here. 0, it has an odd power. If it's an odd power, it goes through the root. Goes through, so it's going to go through it up to the second one. And we stop. 2, it's even. It bounces up to the 5. The 5 is odd, so it passes through the 5. Okay? So that's how your graph would look like. And if you look at the answer key, that's how the graph is.